Hey, want to run large language models locally on your computer without relying on the internet? With Ollama, you can do it. Let me show you how to install and set it up. First, open your browser and search for Ollama. Click on the first link, then hit the download button. Now, select Windows OS and tap on Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Ollama setup file. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. After installation, open Command Prompt. Navigate to the Ollama Models directory. Here, you'll see a list of available models. Choose the one you want to install, copy the provided command, and paste it into Command Prompt. The installation will begin now. You can type Ollama in the command prompt to see all available commands. To run a model, type Ollama run, model name. To exit, press Ctrl+Z. To remove a model, type Ollama RM, model name. If you want a graphical interface, you can use Chatbox AI with Ollama. To install it, open your browser and search for Chatbox AI. Click on the website link, hit download, and install the software. Once installed, launch Chatbox AI, but before using it, make sure Ollama is running in the background. Now, select Local Model and choose Ollama API. From here, pick the model you want to use, click Save, and that's it. Now you can run large language models locally with a GUI interface. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech guides.